Large excavators are ideal for operators working on commercial or larger residential job sites, roadways, and bridges. If you're in need of a versatile tool for powerful digging and trenching, a large excavator is likely the right choice for your fleet. With the number and variety of excavator sizes and configurations on the market, it can be difficult to decide which machine best fits your needs. Hello, I'm Mike Fitzgerald with Bobcat. Here are a few things to consider before purchasing a large excavator. Determine if you have room for a large excavator on the jobs you do most often. If you work on larger residential properties or commercial job sites, a 14 to 16 ton excavator may be a perfect fit. For those operating in areas with limited space, the reduced tail swing of the Bobcat E145 allows greater maneuverability so you can confidently work close to walls or around job site obstacles. If you're looking for the additional power and productivity that comes with a conventional tail swing excavator, the Bobcat E165 is a good option. Before purchasing a large excavator, make sure you review the machine specifications, compare the different models, and determine which option aligns best with the requirements of your job site. The weight and size of a new machine is also important when you're not operating. It impacts how you will transport the excavator to and from the job site. Make sure your company has the capability to move machines of this size following all transportation regulations. Before adding a new machine to your fleet, evaluate the cost of the excavator and compare it to the number of hours you expect to run the machine in the coming years. If most of your jobs require smaller or compact equipment, renting a large excavator for one-off projects might make the most financial sense. Renting a large excavator is also a great way to try out a machine on your job site before committing to a purchase. If you're interested in buying or renting a large excavator for your next job, contact your local Bobcat dealer to see how you can get your hands on one of these powerful machines. You can also get more information about the E145 and E165 large excavators at bobcat.com.